Talinawa dito.
Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Panglao International Airport in Bohol. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by flight deck crew, Captain Ortiz and First Officer Okias, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Also, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please have them with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose them in the bin near the exit. Please seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest should be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside a seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Also, for guests requiring assistance upon deplaning, such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the front door. Sa mga panuhin na nangangailangan ng tulong sa pagbaba kagaya ng wheelchair, kayo po ang pinakahuling bababa ng eroplano. Once again, as a last safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before you stand up to get your bags. Manatili lamang po munang nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang seatbelt sign bago po kayo tumayo para kunin ang inyong kagamitan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsunod.